Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. And if this is the first time you're stumbling on my channel, you're welcome. I believe you're going to get value. So today we'll be talking about how to write a script with your AI, either ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok AI, Gemini, and the likes. Okay, so how do I write a good script? Maybe you're into Faceless YouTube automation or TikTok, and you want to get a good script. So let's say you want to, maybe you're into the storytelling niche, for example, right? Or maybe you're into celebrity, you're into, irrespective of the niche you're into. Okay, so you want to get a script, whether it is short form videos or long form videos. Okay, if it's short form videos or long form videos, whichever this is what you need to do. You say, I want to write a script for my Faceless YouTube video, right? Now it's very important that you specify and you let the AI know what you are doing. Okay, now also you now give the AI your idea. All right, now let's talk about the history of channel. The video is about the history of China wars. Okay, now you're going to prompt as you give it as a top YouTuber, or a top script writer, right? You just assign one role to it as a top script YouTuber, as a top script writer. I want you to write an engaging storytelling style script. What is your aim of this video? Do you want people to engage? Do you want people to stay glued? Do you want people to interact with the video? That will make my viewers watch for long, engage, or you say comment, right? The video is for 10 minutes, or is a 10 minutes long video. Okay, whichever way you prompt it, is a 10 minutes long video. This is for a tutorial 6, so I'm trying to be basic so I can give you an idea what we're talking about. Okay, you want to be very detailed. You want to be very detailed and well informed, because the more detailed your input, which is the kind of prompt, the more better it's going to respond to you. Okay, so this is prompting. Okay, you are prompting this now, so we'll now send this to see what it's going to do. Then now observe. Okay, so you see below is a complete 10-minute script, approximately 1,300, 1,500, designed for narration, visual, sound. So he's going to even break it. He's going to put timer for you. Okay, so this is your script. So all you need to do is to copy this. It's even giving you a suggestion for visuals. Is to copy this and take it to your Docs app. I did a video on that. Take it to your Docs app and go and proofread edit before you now start creating your videos. Okay, you now start creating your video. So you see, it's even suggesting something to you. Say, would you like me to adopt this script into a faceless video format, including on-screen clips, b-rolls, ideas, and voiceover direction? So you can plug it directly into your video editor or AI narrator. It will make the production ready. Just say yes. That's what it's going to do. So AI with good prompting is going to help you very fast. So you can see that each scene or chapter per se is now giving you visuals idea. Okay, it's giving visuals idea. What am I supposed? How do I generate? What kind of picture am I supposed to generate? What am I supposed to be displaying on the screen? You can see what they say on screen text. We're supposed to be displaying the vision of the. Let's look at chapter 5. Chapter 2, it said the vision of the emperor. Look at the necessary visuals you need. Look at the sound ideas you need. This is when you are now editing your videos, right? The voiceover, right? So you now have on screen text. You still have chapter 3, the price of greatness. You have the visuals, you have the sound, you have the voiceover, you have the on-screen text. That's how this is now helping giving a focus on how to produce your video. So when you come to want to generate image, when you want to do the final editing, you don't know what comes in first, right? So these are your prompts to get your script for YouTube, right? Your YouTube stories, irrespective of the niche you are into in YouTube. You can prompt. Now there are specific prompts to specific niches. There are also how you go. There are pros and cons to every niche. If you want to get results, you want to get the best, you can reach out to me for mentorship, and I can mentor you on Faceless YouTube automation and even TikTok automation, right? So once you do this, you get the full details of what it takes to have a successful YouTube channel or successful TikTok channel, and for you start making your money as you grow and go on the go, right? So this is basic. You copy this, take it to your Docs app, and you format, edit it very well before you start creating your video process. I hope you got value. Drop a comment in the comment section, share this video, like, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel as more value comes your way. See you in my next video.